Unfortunately, my cell phone is what I've got to work with today, as my hard drive went out on my computer, so I'm still dealing with that. But I'm going to do an unboxing video on this. Is the Gentleman's Hardware garden multi-tool. Pretty cool deal. I thought I'd do this as a video, as it's much more difficult without my computer. My hard drive is out and I'm waiting on a new hard drive, so it's going to take a little while for me to get back to normal. It's a pretty cool little old-time box, number 95, tried and true. Let's see, half of the battle is going to be getting it open here. Let's see. There we go. Got that. I'll have to just slice those open. I need a tool to get my multi-tool out. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Both of these are done. Let's go ahead and get this open. Yeah, I'm eager to get my deal back. Now this one did not come with a pouch, but I'll have to get some sort of a pouch in the future. We'll see. Looks like it's tied in here, so I gotta cut it free here. There we go. Here it is. Okay, so here's the tool. Alright. And it's got a lock right here. You have to undo the lock. And there's the clippers. It's a nice deal. A nice handle, Gentleman's Hardware. In order to relock it, you gotta re-swing the lock back up. Looks like the rest of the tools are on the outside. A little tricky for me as I don't have nails. So here's the knife. All right. Nice and sharp. It's really sharp. All right. There's that. And then the saw. Got a saw blade here. So it's cool. A lot of gardening tools on the deal. So there's the saw, the knife, and got this deal on the side. I still need to kind of learn what these different tools are for. It's got a few different things in here. Not that easy for me to get open. Let's see, I got my screwdriver here, so I almost need another tool to get into all the different tools here. Let's see what we got. It's got a little ring tool, not sure what that's for yet. Let's see what else. And this tool has like a spoked end blade on it. I need to figure out what those are for. Yeah, pretty cool deal. Looks like those are the other two tools, so the saw, a knife, and these two different tools. Okay, so just looking at the back of this here, this deal, it's got the garden shears, it's got the wood saw, a garden blade, then this is a bark shovel, and then this one is a pendant hole and a bark shovel. So I need to learn a little bit more about what exactly these can be used for. But I like the craftsmanship of the tools, very nice. And I like that it's got the lock there on this deal. Again, a little clumsy for me to use the other tools, but I don't think I'll use those tools quite as much, the bark shovel and the I don't remember what it's called, and the pendant hole. Probably won't use those as much, but the blades I can get to nice and easy, the saw and the knife. So those come out nice and easy. One thing I would like to see is some type of a lock for the blades. I think that would make those a little bit safer. This does not have a lock on the blades, but it does latch in pretty good, so there's that. And again, Nice cutter, nice sharp deal. Pretty cool latch deal. It's nice and sharp, ready for use. And it's got a nice solid feel to it. In order to close it, you do have to re-lock it. So you got to re-swing the lock back up, and then you're able to close it. Pretty nice deal. I'll try to put a link in the description below. Hope you liked the video. It's definitely a lot trickier for me to make videos at the moment, as I'm still waiting on my new hard drive. Hopefully get a new hard drive soon and get back to normal. This has been a little bit different format. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. This is Kung Fu Maintenance signing off. Nice gardening tool. Alright. Yeah. Nice gardening multi-tool. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.